When you ride it.
Say that again? Wear slippers.
You wear shoes.
Shoes on the ride.
Yes.
Yeah, I need to go and buy shoes as well. That's why I'm going here. Crazy, like just coming and just seeing the amount of people there is outside. And today's a Saturday as well, Saturday night, so around 7:30. And yeah, I don't know if it's like this like every single night, but coming here today, like it was just completely chaos. I was gonna start the video outside, but yeah, as soon as I take the camera out, you're already being mobbed, people watching you. Yeah, it's pretty intense. But yeah, in this video, it's just gonna be me, literally just trying to bargain hunt, because I'm looking for trainers, sandals. We'll see what I can buy, because right now I only have like one pair of sandals. I don't have any trainers. So since I've been here in Asia, like I've not been able to do any exercise, so I've been eating quite a lot as well, like especially here in the Philippines. Everything is served with rice. So I had quite a lot of rices. So what I want to do is just look for some trainers or some, I don't know, I think trainers, and because I need it just to go running and maybe join the gym as well. And I'm gonna try and bargain hunt, so like trying to see how much I sell around here. Like, so and yeah, I thought it'd be good just to film it and showcase it to you guys as well. And coming here, like it took quite a while to get here. I had to wait maybe 30 minutes or something like that for my joy rider to arrive, because every time I kept calling that joy ride, no one is picking up, no one's picking up. I even asked some of them on the street, they were like, no, I can't take you, I can't take you for some reason. And it took around 30 minutes to get here from Makati. And I paid 150. It was meant to be 131, but I added a bit, 20 pesos tip just to entice them to come pick me up. And yeah, eventually one of them came, picked me up. It's just crazy, it just took so long. But we're here now, so let's get the video started. And now I'm in Jollibee because it's like the most quietest place I can find here. So yeah, so let's just go downstairs into the action. So let's get the video started. Where can I buy, you know, this t-shirt? No, understand. Thank you. Bye. people here that are overly friendly and proper happy. But I'm trying to ask them where I can buy like sneakers. They call it sneakers here, I think. I don't think they call it trainers. And a lot of them don't really understand what I'm trying to tell them or ask them. So I'm just gonna walk around and hopefully I'll come across a place that do sell some footwear. Because here it just feels like they're just selling like fruits and veg. And there's a lot of people here like moving pieces all around. It's quite intense. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Yeah. I guess yo is the word of the day today. Yeah, everyone just like yo, yo, yo. I finally used Google Translator to ask someone here, and funny enough, like they spoke perfect English. And yeah, she just told me just to go straight ahead, and I'll be able to see the area where they sell clothes and footwear. So I see a little bit of clothes here, and yeah, I think this should be it. And watches as well. Maybe I'll get a watch if I get a decent deal. Bags, everything's around here as well. And this is for men or women?
Women and men.
Women and men. Okay. Men and boys. Maybe some white Air Forces they might do. Let's see. How much? 650. 650. Okay.
Are you speaking Tagalog?
No. I cannot speak it. Yeah.
Okay.
I need to learn. Yeah, it's very bad. The Crocs over there, they're for men as well. The Crocs, or just for women? And then how much is the Crocs? How much you sell it for?
Depends.
Okay. So if I want maybe the yellow one, how much is yellow? 380. 380. Okay, thank you. Maybe I'll walk around then come back. Thank you. Thank you. So in that place, maybe I'll come back. Thank you. So the Air Max Nike, they're selling I think 650. I think that's what she said, and the Crocs is selling it for 350, if memory serves me right. But I feel like, yeah, there's so many other shops just to look around first before making a decision on what to buy. Thank you. So this is for men or kids? Men. Men and kids. Okay.
And women.
And women as well. Yeah, so they have some Air Maxes here. Let me see. I don't know, I feel like I'm just gonna get like an all white one. Let me see how much. How much? How much is that? This one. There's more giggles and laughter than work. How much? This, how much?
700 each.
Huh?
700.
700 each. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Now maybe I'll come back later, I'll just look. So I eventually got the price for it and they said it's 700 each. So it's more expensive than the last place. I feel they can get like for 500. Hello. You okay? Hello, thank you. Yeah, the people here, they're so chilled.
What's up, bro?
How are you? Wait, let me see the watch. Sorry, how much is this?
250.
250. Okay. Thank you, thank you.
Welcome, sir. Welcome.
Yeah, I'll probably get that watch, 250. Let me do the conversion rate to see how much it is in pound. The watch is 250, so that's around £3.50. Let's just say £3.50. Yeah, music, cars, people, dogs, food, everything just in one place. Yeah, it's pretty intense. But this is it really, this is part of traveling. What is your name?
Tyler.
Name?
Tyler.
What is your name?
Tyler Moncada.
Alright, nice to meet you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, sorry.
What's your name?
Christian. My name's Christian.
Christian.
Yeah, Christian.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. It's like this market just goes and goes and goes. Wow. I feel like I'm just gonna, yeah, just find somewhere and just buy whatever I see first instead of just looking around, because I feel like this market here, like it's like a never-ending market. Alright, I'll give it to you. 1 minute.
Shout out po pala dyan.
What is that?
Hi, Karen Moncada. Show me.
Yeah, so when you log in, you can see it.
Goa niya.
Yeah. So Koa TX. There. Thank you. Thank you, brother. Thank you. get this one. So I'm gonna pick up a watch for $250. I know there's gonna be someone saying that you probably can get cheaper, but it's okay. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. I thought maybe it'd be cheaper here because over there it's 250.
TPP?
Yeah, yeah, but you said 300. 300 for this. Okay, thank you, brother. Thank you. Yes.
What's your YouTube channel?
Koa.
I can subscribe.
K-O-A. K-O-A-T-X.
KX.
Yeah, TX.
My friend.
Koa.
KX.
Yeah, TX. Thank you.
Special sword.
No, thank you.
Watch your video, huh?
Yeah, you watch. Thank you. Thank you.
You want to buy, my friend?
Thank you. No.
You want to buy the last one?
Yeah, so I got a watch for $250, and one of the guys he started off with 300. So I don't know. Guess 250 is alright. Yeah, like £3.50 or something like that. Let me look for footwear. Hey, how are you?
Video mo. Hey, pala kami. Hey.
Only this one. Men's size.
How much are those? How much? And just the price. I just want to know the price.
750.
750.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. This is actually like hard work. I'm telling you now. It is not easy.